everyone, my name is Sharvari Shivanandatte from 6th Amarja. Today I am doing Chakrasana. In English, the Chakrasana is called wheel pose. So the benefits of wheel pose are, it gives nice stretch to our spine and it activates our pituitary and thyroid glands, and it gives nice stretch to our whole body. Now let us see Chakrasana. Thank you. Happy International Yoga Day to all my dear friends and teachers.
My name is Shiva Prasad. I am studying in 6th Dema. You all know that today is 21st June, our International Yoga Day. I am here to do Surya Namaskar. The Surya Namaskar benefits is it will control sugar level, so that will not keep disease away. So I am doing Surya Namaskar.
Hi everybody, my name is Shivan Patel. Today I am going to tell about Sarvangasana, and after telling today I am going to do Sarvangasana. The word Sarvangasana has came from Sanskrit, Sarvangasana. It constitutes three words, Sarva, Anga and Asana. The meaning of Sarva is entire, Anga is the part of the body, and Asana is yogic posture. In English it is known as shoulder stand pose, yogic pose. Benefits of Sarvangasana. It regulates the blood circulation, and it maintains the health thyroid gland and reduces hair fall. It improves sleeping quality and weight maintenance. I am going to show how to do Sarvangasana. Thank you.
Good evening everybody. My name is Nidhi Manvi. I am studying in 6th standard Kaveri. Happy International Yoga Day. Yoga is healthy for our body. We should do regularly. I am doing Halasana. Thank you for seeing my video.
Good morning everybody. My name is Sanketa. I am studying in 6th Amarja. Today is Yoga Day. I wish you happy Yoga Day. And yoga is most important in our body. So now I will do Surya Namaskara.
name is Amulya Reddy. I am from 6th Krishna. Today I am performing Chakrasana wheel pose. It looks like Chakrasana, so it is called Chakrasana wheel pose. The benefits of Chakrasana are the chest expands and the lungs get more oxygen. This makes the pose more beneficial for the asthma patients. It reduces the stress and tension in the body. It sharpens the eyesight. This asana helps to increase elasticity of the spine and strengthen the back. Now I am performing Chakrasana. Thank you everyone.
Hello everyone, my name is Arutha Sirivan from 6th Bima. On the occasion of International Yoga Day, I am performing Pavana Muktasana. First, we have to sleep like Shavasana and inhale and exhale our breath. Now, we have to join our two legs and stretch our legs. Now we have to bend our legs and raise our legs from 90 degrees. Now we have to bend our legs and tie our hands like this. Now we have to touch these two legs from our nose for 10 seconds. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we have to slowly move our hands. Now we have to raise our legs again 90 degrees. Now we have to slowly keep our legs like this. Now we have to inhale and exhale our breath. It is very useful to our body, mainly to the digestive system. For doing this asana, in our stomach where remain the bacteria and virus, it will come outside, and the dirty air also come outside. Now we have to don't come like this. We have to wake up like this. Thank you.
Hello everybody, my name is Cindy from 6th Mahadai Upper Public School. Today I am going to say and do yoga asanas and its benefits. Yoga is the best medicine for every disease. Yoga improves strength, balance and flexibility. It relaxes you to help sleep better. Today so the first asana is Uttarasana. We have to sit like this and keep our body above our legs and bend our body. We have to do this for 15 to 20 seconds. Uttarasana is also known as camel pose. The benefits of this asana is it gives strength to your squats and spine. It engages your mind and body. It improves your body posture and relieves lower back pain. Thank you. Happy Yoga Day. Stay home, stay safe.
Hello everyone, my name is Siddha Veerasharana. I am studying in 6th Bhima. Today I am going to do one asana, that is Padmasana. Padmasana means the lotus pose. It helps to keep our mind sharp and keep our brain concentrative. First, it will keep our back straight. We should keep our back straight in Padmasana as much as possible. First, we should stretch our leg and keep down our arms and we should keep our body straight. First, we should take our any of the leg and keep it on a thigh, and take the another leg and keep it on a thigh. We can chant some mantra. We should breathe slowly. We should do this as much as possible. Thank you.
Hello everyone, here I am Daksha Vaishnath Biraja studying in 6th Mahadai Appa Public School. Now I am explaining how to do Bhujang Asana. Let us begin by laying down on the mat. Forehead on the mat. Place your palms directly under your shoulder. Shoulder roll down in the lifted elbows. Place your heels together and inhale. Upstairs the chest and forehead. Stay there, keep breathing. As you exhale, come down slowly. Release your hand. Place your neck in the one side. And this is the introduction of the Bhujangasana. Let to know about the benefits of the Bhujangasana. It stretches the lungs, shoulders, chest and the abdomen. Stimulates abdominal organs. Helps in relief stress and fatigue. This asana will help in the COVID situation for the lungs. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Shravani. I am from 6th Sharavati and I will do the asana Chakrasana. This is Chakrasana. This asana helps to cure neck, chest, stomach, knee, elbow and indigesting problem. Thank you.
I am studying in 6th standard. Today is my asana is windmill. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good evening everyone. Myself Smruti Tulse from 6th Madai. Today I am going to introduction of Gomukha Asana. called Gomukha Asana. Gomukha Asana, commonly known as cow face pose, in English, is a seated pose. The Sanskrit name Gomukha Asana is derived from three words. The first, go with means cow. Second, mukha with means face or mouth. And the third asana with means posture. Thank you.
So hello guys, my name is Sai Prasad. I am studying in 6th Sharavati. So we all know that 21st June is an International Yoga Day. On that occasion, we are going to do yoga. The yoga is Ekapadasana, means one leg. So let me show you how to do your Ekapadasana. So first, slowly take your right leg up and both hands down it and float it 3 or 4 times. Then slowly relax your hands and then legs. So take your right leg back straightly and your both hands straight. Then let it be for 3 or 5 seconds. Then slowly relax. Then the benefits of Ekapadasana are it helps in balancing our mind and it also helps in coordinating our nervous system. So thank you guys.
Good evening everybody, myself Shreyas Nadikar. I am from 6th Bhima. I am studying in Appa Public School. I would like to do Sirhasana. Sirhasana benefits. First one, it helps in strengthening the shoulder and arms. And second one, it helps in improve blood flow to eyes, and it release stress, and it helps in improving blood diabetes, and it helps in lymphatic system in
to flush out the toxins.
flush out the toxin, and it helps in improve blood group to eyes, and
Thank you.
thank you.
Hello all, my name is Rakshita CB. I am studying in 6th Amarja. Today on the occasion of International Yoga Day, I am going to perform an asana. The asana is Balasana. Balasana is known as child pose. Balasana is also stretches our lower back. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good evening everyone, my name is Niharika. I am studying in 6th Bhima. Today we are celebrating International Yoga Day. Today I am performing Surya Namaskara. Surya Namaskara is an ultimate asana. It strengthens our back as well as our muscles, and it brings down blood sugar level, and it also improves metabolism and blood circulation. So technically 10 minutes of Surya Namaskara translate into burning 139 calories, which is more than that you would burn even after swimming for 10 minutes. There are 12 steps in Surya Namaskara. Pranamasana, Hasta Uttanasana, Hastapadasana, Asvasanchalasana, Dandasana, Ashtanga Namaskara, Bhujangasana, Parvatasana,
Ashwashanchalasana, Hastapadasana, Hasta Uttanasana, Pranamasana. It completes one rotation. Thank you.
My name is Pratibha. I am from 6th Amarja. I am doing Surya Namaskara. Thank you.
My name is Ranitan Krishna. I am studying in 6th Amarja in Upper Public School. Today I am going to do Chakrasana. It reduces tension in the body and improve eyesight. Let us start Chakrasana. Thank you.
Morning everybody. I am Vishal from 6th Krishna. Today on International Yoga Day, I am making a few asanas. First one, Padmasana.
Morning everyone, my name is Muhammad Abdul Nafi, grade 6, Upper Public School, Ledravati. Sukhasana. Benefits of Sukhasana: helps to reduce the stress and strengthen hip, knee and thigh muscles, increase the focus of mind and concentration, helps to reduce the back pain and reduce lower body fat, improve digestive health. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Muhammad Abdul Rafi, grade 6, Appa Public School, section Nedravati. Padmasana. Benefits of Padmasana: increases the focus of mind and concentration, help to stimulate the reproductive organ, helps to remove stress and anxiety, improves digestion. Thank you.
Good morning friends and teachers. My name is Chinmay Vinayak from 6th Krishna. Today I am going to tell you about Chakrasana. Chakrasana, popularly called the wheel pose, is also known as Rudva Dhanurasana. It is a back bend posture and gives flexibility and strength to the spine. This pose should not be performed without a proper warm-up. Before practicing this asana, you can begin with Sukshama Vyayama or suitable exercise to prepare our body. Now I am going to show you how to do Chakrasana. Thank you.
Good evening everybody, myself Vaishnavi K. Katti from 6th Prima. Today I am going to show Vajrasana. Vajrasana is a simple sitting yoga pose. It helps us to keep our mind calm and stable, curing digestive acidity and relieve knee pain, strengthening tight muscles and help to relieve back pain, and so on. Thank you.
Good evening everybody, myself Saujanya from 6th Madai, Appa Public School. Today I am going to do yoga, Chakrasana. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Chakrasana is a Urdhva, is an asana in yoga as exercise. It is a back bend and it is the first pose, the finishing sequence in Ashtanga Vinayas yoga. It gives a flexibility in a spine. It acrobates gymnastics. This body position is called a bridge. Thank you.
Good evening everybody. My name is Nidhi and I am studying in 6th Netravati. Today I am going to tell about Vrikshasana. But first I will do it. Keep your one leg on another leg in this way and take your hands upside your head and close your eyes for few seconds. Now open your eyes slowly and remove your hands down. Now remove your leg. So now I will say what is benefits of this asanas. This asana is called as Vrikshasana and it is also called as tree pose. It improves our balance and stability in legs. It also improves concentration and improves alertness. It burns the fat from stomach and thigh. Thank you.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಮಾನಸ, 6ನೇ ತರಗತಿ, ನೇತ್ರಾವತಿ ವಿಭಾಗ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಯೋಗ ದಿನದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಆರೋಗ್ಯವಂತರಾಗಿರಲು ಪ್ರತಿನಿತ್ಯ ಯೋಗ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಸೂರ್ಯ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಆಸನ ಮತ್ತು ಅದರ ಉಪಯೋಗಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಉಪಯೋಗಗಳು: ದೈಹಿಕವಾಗಿ ಬಲಿಷ್ಠವಾಗಿರಲು ಪ್ರತಿನಿತ್ಯ ಯೋಗ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಮೆದುಳಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯ ಚುರುಕು ಮಾಡುತ್ತದೆ, ಪಚನ ಕ್ರಿಯೆಗೆ ಸಹಕಾರಿ ಮಾಡುತ್ತದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಏಕಾಗ್ರತೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ನಾನು ಈಗ ಸೂರ್ಯ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಮಾನಸ 6ನೇ ತರಗತಿ ನೇತ್ರಾವತಿ ವಿಭಾಗ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಯೋಗ ದಿನದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಆರೋಗ್ಯವಂತರಾಗಿರಲು ಪ್ರತಿನಿತ್ಯ ಯೋಗ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಸೂರ್ಯ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಆಸನ ಮತ್ತು ಅದರ ಉಪಯೋಗಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಉಪಯೋಗಗಳು: ದೈಹಿಕವಾಗಿ ಬಲಿಷ್ಠವಾಗಿರಲು ಪ್ರತಿನಿತ್ಯ ಯೋಗ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಮೆದುಳಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯ ಚುರುಕು ಮಾಡುತ್ತದೆ, ಪಚನ ಕ್ರಿಯೆಗೆ ಸಹಕಾರಿ ಮಾಡುತ್ತದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಏಕಾಗ್ರತೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ನಾನು ಈಗ ಸೂರ್ಯ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೇನೆ.
Everyone, my name is Nandish. I am from 6th Krishna. Today I am here to perform Padmasana. Benefits of Padmasana are helps keeps joints and ligament flexible. COVID patients also do this asana.
Good evening, my name is Rohan. I am studying in 6th Madai. Today I am going to do yoga asana named Surya Namaskar. Benefits of Surya Namaskar. Surya Namaskar, also known as the unlimited asana, strengthens your back as well as through muscles and brings down blood sugar levels to the as also improves metabolism and blood circulation. I am doing yoga asana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Thank you.
Good evening, everybody. My name is P. Kanishka Reddy. I am studying in 6th Sharavati Appa Public School. Today we are knowing about yoga asanas. We all know that yoga is very important for our health. Regular yoga is provide mentally and physical health. In simple word, we can say that we by doing yoga we can revive pain and stress. I am doing Baddha Asana yoga. It is also called as butterfly pose. In Sanskrit language also called as Titli Hasana. Benefits of Baddha Asana. First, to relax and stretching, achieving things the best exercise. Second, to
time of the menstruation, the asana is benefit for girls because of the improve discomfort and reduce the improve after menopause. After menopause, is butterfly pose is very useful for girls and also useful for pregnant ladies by doing practice every day. By doing practice butterfly pose every regular, it is easy to regarding natural childbirth. Step 1, sit in the lotus or you can sit in the Padmasana. Step 2, after then sit leg in the form of the soles in the feet together and together.
ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ ಸೀದಾ ಯೋಗಾಸನ ಮಾಡ್ಲತ್ತಿ, ಸೀದಾ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕೀಗ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹೇಳು ಸಾಕಿನ.
Touch each other and knees should be bent. Step 3, now pull into his heels and knees should be take hold two feet together with two hands and as much as possible try to straight your backbone. Step 4, now breathe in. 5th step, breathe out and move knees up and down until knees touch ground. In case you cannot do knee up and down, push down and knee and much you can. After that doing 15 to 20, after that breathe out and do 15 to 20 minutes. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. My name is Anvir Reshmi. I am from 6th Amarja. On account of International Yoga Day, we all students doing some asanas. I am doing Gomukh Asana today. Let's see how to do Gomukh Asana. First we should take right leg in shape of V and take left leg in V shape and take right and left to backward. Like this we should do Gomukhasana. Let's learn about Gomukhasana. Gomukhasana stimulates the kidney and helpful in relieving alignment like diabetes, high blood pressure. Gomukhasana is the one of the most commonly used yoga pose, having countless benefits as mental and physical as well. Thank you everyone.
Hello everyone, I am Mr. Veerashanti and I am studying in grade 6 Krishna section. Today I am going to tell you about the asana Parvatasana. Parvatasana is a very important and most fit asana for your body. It strengthens your most of the back muscles and also it powers your back pain. The Parvatasana also burns your calories
Namaskar. My name is Guru Bhavani M. Patil from 6th Netramurti. This asana name is Surya Namaskar. Thank you. Namaskar. My name is Guru Bhavani M. Patil from 6th Netramurti. This asana name is Surya Namaskar. Thank you.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಮಂಥನ್. ನಾನು ಸೂರ್ಯ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಆರೋಗ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಯೋಗ ದಿನದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು.
Hello everybody, my name is Khushi M.A. I am studying in 6th Tamaja. Today on the occasion of International Yoga Day, I am performing as pranayam. Now I am doing pranayam. Okay, now I am telling about pranayam benefits. Pranayam is the formal practice of breath control in yoga. The regular practice of pranayam provides many physical, emotional and mentally health benefits. In this article, we will let you know the scientific proven benefits of pranayam yoga breathing. Thank you everybody.
My name is Amulya Shetty. I am from 6th Tamaja. Today on the occasion of Yoga Day, I am going to do Adho Mukha Svanasana. The benefits of this asana is stimulates the blood flow, fine tunes the foot muscles.
Start.
Hello everybody, my name is Khushi N.J. from class 6 Bhima, Upper Public School. Today I am going to do Dhanurasana. First, you have to sleep like this, stretch your legs up, hold your legs and count till 10. 1, 2, 3,
improves and open your thigh flexors, improves posture, stimulate digestion, and also stretch the entire front of the body. Thank you.
Good evening to all. My name is Srishti. I am from 6th Krishna. Today I am performing a Halasana and Surya Namaskara. Halasana benefits. Calm the brain. It will solve the problem of back pain. It's reduce stress. Now I am performing Surya Namaskara. Surya Namaskara benefits are it down the blood sugar level, it improve the blood circulation, it makes muscles strong. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. My name is Amulya Reddy. I am from 6th Krishna. Today I am performing Chakrasana wheel pose. It looks like Chakrasana, so it is called Chakrasana wheel pose. The benefits of Chakrasana are the chest expands and the lungs get more oxygen. This makes the pose more beneficial for the asthma patients. It reduces the stress and tension in the body. It sharpens the eyesight. This asana helps to increase elasticity of the spine and strengthen the back. Now I am performing Chakrasana. Thank you everyone.
Happy International Yoga Day to you all. Myself Megha Ramesh Babu Biradar, studying in 6th Mahadari, Appa Public School, Gulbarga. Today I am going to perform Chakrasana. Chakrasana is an upward facing bow pose. It is an asana in yoga's exercise. It is a back bending pose. The benefits of Chakrasana: the chest expands and the lungs get more oxygen. This asana is beneficial for asthma patients. It reduces stress and tension in the body and also sharpen the eyesight. Thank you.
Bury your mind deep inside your heart and watch your body moves itself. Great saying, right? Hello everyone. Myself Shriyasi Mudol from 6th Krishna. Today I am here on the occasion of International Yoga Day. I am here to do a small asana known as Surya Namaskar. Let me do it. Let's we do our Surya Namaskar. Later we will discuss about the benefits of Surya Namaskar. Let me do it. First, join your hands. Stretch your hands. the benefits of Surya Namaskar. Surya Namaskar is also known as Ultimate Asana. It strengthens our backbone and muscle as well known as muscles. It also improves our metabolism and blood sugar circulation. Okay, thank you.
Good evening everyone. My name is Aditya from 6th Mahadai. Today I am performing about Surya Namaskar. Surya Namaskar is also known as Ultimate Asana. It stretches our back and also muscles.
Good evening friends, I am from Appa Public School. I am studying in 6th Amarja. My name is Kushi. Let's do yoga tree pose. It important is build focus and concentration. Let's do yoga.
Just hold this yoga position for 20 seconds. 3 set and breathe deeply and slowly. It helps in increasing height, improves our posture, boosts our mental awareness, improves our mood. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Raju. I am studying in 6th Sharavati, Appa Public School, Kalburgi. As we all know, we are celebrating International Yoga Day 21st June every year. I am presenting my activity on the International Yoga Day. First I will demonstrate one of the asana, that is Kapalabhati. First we will do Kapalabhati, next we will know its benefits. Sit on the ground comfortably. Your hands should on be thigh. Your spine and head should be straight. Take a long breath. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. This continuous process is known as Kapalabhati. Now see how it's look. Now coming to its benefits. Kapalabhati helps in respiration. Kapalabhati helps in digestion. Kapalabhati improves our blood circulation and Kapalabhati keeps our legs healthy. Thank you.
Start.
Myself Basot Rajwal. I am studying in 6th Bhima. Today I am going to do Surya Namaskara for International Yoga Day.
Pranamasana, Hastatu Asana, Hastapadasana, Ashwasanchalasana, Dandasana, Ashtanga Namaskara, Bhujangasana, Parvatasana, Ashwasanchalasana, Hastapadasana, Hastatu Asana, Tadasana.
Benefits are it helps in blood circulation. It decreases the sugar blood and it keeps our back and muscles strong. Thank you.
Good evening everybody, my name is Pavani. I am from 6th Amarja. Today I am going to the Balasana. The Balasana benefits are gently stretches the hips, thighs and ankles. Relax your neck, spine and shoulder. Release your back and
My name is Soumya. I am studying in 6th Sharavati Appa Public School. Now I am going to do a pranayama called Brahmari. Let's start. First, we should take our little finger and keep on our chin. And we should take our ring finger and keep on our upper lip. And we should take our middle finger and keep on our nose. And we should take our index finger and close our eyes and keep on our eyes. And with the help of our thumb, we should close our ears like this. Now we should take a deep breath and we should hum like this. Now I only did for 2 cycles, but we should do daily for 5 to 10 minutes. Brahmari has a lot of benefits. It helps our digestive system and it keep our mind calm. And if we are in an angry mood or in an unstable mood, we should do this pranayama. Then we will feel calm and stable. We will be in a stable mind, and it also helps in our digestive system and nervous system.
My name is Pritam. I am from 6th Kaveri. Today is Yoga Asana. First is butterfly pose. And second is bee pose. And next is triangle pose. And next is tree pose. Thank you for watching.
Hello everyone, my name is Viresh Dandoti. I am studying in 6th Bhima. Today we all know we are celebrating the International Yoga Day because I am performing the Bhujangasana. The introduction of Bhujangasana is type of a Hatha yoga or modern exercise. The name of Bhujangasana comes from 2 Sanskrit words. Bhujangasana meaning snake or cobra and asana meaning posture or the seat. The pose is also called as serpent pose. The benefits of Bhujangasana. It helps to treat asthma. Bhujangasana tones the body. It helps to improve our digestion. Bhujangasana strengthens the spine. It reduces the acidity and stress. Now I am performing the Bhujangasana. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.
Nachiket, I am studying in 6th Sharavati. Today topic is Surya Namaskar. Today I will show how to do Surya Namaskar. Om Suryaya Namah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
The benefits of Surya Namaskar is It will help us to make our mind fresh. Thank you.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯೋಗ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಸಂಭ್ರು ಸಜ್ಜಲ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ. ನಾನು 6ನೇ ತರಗತಿ ನೇತ್ರಾವತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ವಜ್ರಾಸನವನ್ನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ವಜ್ರಾಸನ ಮಾಡುವ ಲಾಭ, ಇದು ಜೀರ್ಣಕ್ರಿಯೆಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡುತ್ತದೆ. ಇದರಿಂದ ಮಲಬದ್ಧತೆಗೆ ಕೂಡ ಸಹಾಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದರಿಂದ ತೂಕವನ್ನು ಇಳಿಸಬಹುದು. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
Vajrasana, the diamond pose. First sit in Suktasana. Now stretch out the legs. Slowly bend the legs one by one until you are seated between your both feet. Adjust your feet to be closer to the bottom and stretch the hands forward to place your palms covering the knees. Vajrasana makes your joints and ligaments strong as well as flexible. The muscles around the pelvic regions are greatly benefited. The posture stimulates the function of kidneys, liver and pancreas.
Hello everybody, my name is Prithviraj Aswarkar. I am studying in 6th Kaveri. On the occasion of the International Yoga Day, I am going to do the Brijasana. It is also known as the Setu Bandhasana. The benefits of the Brijasana is: point 1, stretch the chest, neck and spine. Point 2, help relieve the symptoms of menopause. Point 3, stimulates abdominal organs, lungs and thyroid. Point 4, improves digestion. Point 5, relieves neck pain. Let's see the asana, how to do it. We have to keep our hand like this. This asana should be do 15 to 30 seconds. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hello everyone, I am Harsha from 6th Amarja. On the occasion of Yoga Day, I present to you a simple yet effective standing asana, Vrikshasana, also known as the tree pose.
To do the tree pose, stand tall and straight with arms by the side of your body. Bend your right knee and place the right foot high up on your left thigh. The sole of the foot should be placed flat and firmly near the root of the thigh. Make sure that your left leg is straight. Find your balance. Once you are well balanced, take a deep breath in. Gracefully raise your arms over your head from the side and bring your palms together in Namaste Mudra. Look straight ahead in front of you at a distant object. A steady gaze helps maintain a steady balance. Ensure that your spine is straight. Your entire body should be taut like a stretched elastic band. Keep taking in long, deep breaths. With each exhalation, relax the body more and more. Just be with the body and the breath with a gentle smile on your face. With slow exhalation, gently bring down your hands from the sides. You may gently release the right leg. Stand tall and straight as you did at the beginning of the posture. Repeat this pose with the left leg off the ground on the right thigh.
The benefits of Vrikshasana are: it stretches the legs, back and arms. It improves concentration. It helps us to maintain balance. Wishing you all a very happy Yoga Day. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Shana Gowda. I am studying in 6th Bhima. Today is the International Yoga Day. I want to do the Dhanurasana. Dhanurasana has many benefits And an example, it helps the prevents diabetes, relieves the back pain, and the strength of the thigh muscles. So we should first do the Shavasana. After Shavasana, we should do Makarasana. It's called Makarasana. Take slowly both legs upwards. Hold down the legs like this. And put down the slowly legs. And come back to the Shavasana. Thank you.
Namaste. My name is Kushal Kumbar and I am studying in 6th grade, Bhima, Upper Public School, Kalburgi. Today I will do a yogasan called Shirsasan, also known as headstand. Whenever you do the Shirsasan, it strengthens your arms, shoulder and neck. It also strengthens your back. It increases blood flow to the brain and which in turn makes your concentration higher and makes your mood happier. So let us see how to do Shirsasan. First you have to put your arms like this and measure them so that they are both touching. Then keeping the elbows there, you have to put your fingers and interlock your fingers. Once you do that, you have to put your head onto the interlocked area and slowly lift up. The lifting up will not happen in one day. After you have mastered that, you should do Padmasana. Thank you. Dhanyavad.
Good evening everybody. My name is Bajwa Bhargav from class 6 Netravati Upper Public School. I am doing International Yoga Day. I am doing Surya Namaskara. This helps us to
This is a complete
exercise. There are 12 exercises. They help us for good health.